Hi guys, now it's the day 2, so now we are just going to the Harangi camp, which is full of elephants. Now you could see this, and it's too big, right? Or is it too small? So now there are 5 elephants over here. So now after that, there is a Harangi river. Here we can do boating also. So let's see if we do boating or not. So now let's see if we do boating. So there is water. We just feed them. Now they are drinking water and taking a bath. Also but a little. Look, it's time for feeding. Look, I'm too scared to even feed. Look at my superhero Papa. He's not even scared.
Come on.
Look,
Fatima, do it,
it's
do it,
now
do it,
my
do it.
turn. Oh, I'm too scared. Papa was saying, Fatima, do it, do it, do it. It's easy. I was so scared. My father was forcing me to touch it. I was scared. It was so scary. We are going back to another place. See ya.